Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and here I am showing you another card, a really quick and easy card for Christmas, since we're gonna get ready for the holiday season, and I'm sure we all need Christmas cards. So anyway, I'm using the Christmas Pines stamp set, which is actually on the annual catalog. I am in love. I haven't been using a lot of them, and I think this one pairs perfectly with the All Is Right design series paper, which is this one. You can see there are several pages that have that foliage that looks really amazing. This is another one, even though it looks almost the same, it's not. So I think it pairs really well with this suite, and you can do multiples of that card. What I've done already, just so you know, I had already pre-punched out of the with the spray punch, one in the in green, which is out of the Joyous Noel design series paper, and then also one out of the gold glimmer paper. Now you could do both on the gold. I think it will look really nice. I just wanted to give a little bit of color, but I know that that glimmer paper is running out real quick, so who knows if it's still going to be available by the time that you're ordering. And I also pre-punch a 2 1/4 circle in the very vanilla. So let's just get it started with the card. So the measurements of this is, I have a piece of early espresso, and this one is 5.5 by 8.5, and we're going to be folding it in half as usual. I'm going to go ahead then, oh, let me just show. I have a piece of very vanilla, and this one is 3.5 by 4 3/4, and this is going to go on the inside, since this is a dark cardstock so that you can write down your message. Then I have a piece of real red, and this one is 5 by 3 3/4, and a piece of that design series paper, which is again the All Is Right design series paper, and this one is 3.5 by 4 3/4, and then these pieces. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and glue already this design series paper, because there's nothing else that I'm gonna be doing to this paper. Like I said, I feel like this is a gorgeous DSP set, really, and it goes really well with the Christmas Pines. I'm having so much fun making lots of cards with this one, because again, it just coordinates really well. So anyway, so let's do the stamping. Now, because this is a set that is photopolymer, I'm using my press mat as usual, and you can see here how I've been playing a lot with it. I'm going to be using mostly Meadow, and again, because this is a photopolymer, you want to use your press mat so that you can get a better transfer of the image. And on this one, really, because this is the inside of the card, I'm just going to go ahead and stamp twice, and I'm going to go ahead and do another one here, and this is it. This is going to be the inside. Now for this section, oh, I have a little piece here. I'm going to use the Early Espresso ink pad, and I'm going to go ahead and use this Made the Simple Joys of the Season Be Yours. Voila. And then I'm going to use the Real Red, and there's like a little guard line, and I could do that one in green, but I thought it would be nice to add some color, so I'm going to add one here and one on the top. And because this is photopolymer, I feel like it's so easy to position your stamps right where you need it. So there we go. So here's what we're gonna be adding to your card, to our card. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one right there. Actually, you know what, it will be nice if I erase it. So let's just put these ones first with the glue dots, and I just use one glue dot on this part, and that's another one here. I think I want to have this one right there. I'm going to add first the gold. So this one will go here. and then this one on this section, and then this one is gonna go raised, you know, dimensionals. And I'm trying to finish this. Actually, I have 2 of these that I want to finish, so let's just start finishing this. So let's just raise our oh, you know what? I might need like a little bit of one here, and then, and again, don't ever throw away your dimensionals until you finish the whole thing. The edge still has adhesive, so use it. Just cut it out and use it on your project. So here we go. We're gonna have this one right there. And then I'm going to add a bow out of the gold edge ribbon. And I love this one so much, and it goes really well with this whole card color combo. And we're going to add it right there. So I'm going to go ahead and add another glue dot for these. And I'm going to put it right there. So there you have it right there. And then for the inside, don't forget the inside. We're going to go ahead and do this. Here we go. So is that not amazing? I think that these are really quick and easy, yet they all look fantastic. Like I said, this is less than 10 minutes. Of course, I had already punched out, but it's not that bad. You just punch it out and that's it. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me. Make sure to visit my blog at creatingwithali.com. Also subscribe to my newsletter, my email list, so the newsletter I should say, so that you get more tutorials like this one on your inbox, or also all the information about all the classes that I have and other events with Stampin' Up. So thank you so much, and I appreciate your support as always. Thank you.